Hey, my besties, welcome back to another episode of Relationship Topic. And you already saw the topic, how to make your relationship stronger to outlast anything. You have to go through tough times together. That's just the reality of relationships. But the stronger a relationship, the better chance you have making it. Here is how you can bond more, delve deeper, and make your relationship as strong as it can be. Number one, talk to each other. I know you do talk to your partner, but here I mean more than just talk about how the weather is or how was your day or what did you eat for today. So you should ask for details and really listen to them. It shouldn't be just a surface conversation. Usually, people mean an awful lot more than what they say. By talking regularly, you will learn to read between the lines. Number two, show how much you care. Don't just say it. Words hardly mean anything if there aren't actions to back them up. So do nice things and show your significant other that they are in your life because you really want them to be. They will definitely be grateful and happy to see it. That is if you're dating a grateful, sensitive person. Number three, talk about the important stuff. With this, I mean you have to talk about the deep things. You have to discuss how you feel about major issues and make a point to dig deep. Making your relationship stronger is about staying close. And this is how to do that. The more you talk about difficult things, the better. Number four, always work to improve your life. This is a major part of any healthy, happy relationship. But a lot of people will not agree with me on this. Okay, but do not anyone tell you differently. That being said, you have to work hard to keep things exciting and fun. If you're both always trying to improve and make things better, it is unlikely you will ever be unhappy with things. Talk about what you both need and then follow through with your plans to make things better. The better your knacking life, the stronger you'll be together. Number five, stay playful. Keep your fun, flirty attitude alive throughout the relationship. It is usually present for the first few months and then fizzles out later. Do not let it. The more you're able to sit back and laugh together, the stronger your relationship will definitely be. Number six, be romantic whenever you can. Romance is needed in every relationship. Once again, this is something that is usually really strong in the beginning of the relationship, but over time, it goes away. The key is to finding how to make your relationship stronger is finding new ways to be romantic and loving towards your partner. Number seven, always show your appreciation. It doesn't have to be a big display, but a simple thank you can go a long way in strengthening your relationship. When your partner's actions are appreciated and they know it means a lot to you, they will keep doing them. Plus, the more they do for you, the more you would want to do for them. It is an endless cycle of both of you giving each other. That can never be bad for a relationship. Number eight, fully discuss your arguments. Arguing and then forgetting about it is pointless. In fact, it makes things much worse. The more you fight and then don't figure out the real issue, the further apart you will grow, meaning your relationship will be very weak. Fully talk about your problems and then come to conclusion about them. Brushing things under the carpet will always come back to haunt you. Number nine, try getting to know them more every day. As time goes by, as day goes by, we keep changing. The person you were when you first entered the relationship might be different from who you are today. The same is true for your partner, so make sure that you continue learning about your partner and then let them learn more about you too. Number 10, laugh at the embarrassing, silly stuff. When you're in a long-term relationship, stuff can get very messy. You get very up close and personal with many things about your partner. You have to be able to laugh off those embarrassing moments and then move on if you want to have a stronger relationship. Your relationship will be really strong if you can always do this. Number 11, always go on dates. Date nights aren't just an option. They are non-negotiable. You have to have them even if you can just go for twice in a month instead of once in a week. It is important that you both carve out an intimate time to have an intimate moment with one another. Making this a priority is essential. Don't back out on date night, except there is really an important reason why you should do so. And even then, make it up to them. Number 12, do things they love, but you don't. You know, in a relationship, sometimes you have to make sacrifices. They might really want to go see that action movie you think looks awful. Take one for the team and go ahead and do it. They will do the same for you. The more selfless you are, the more stronger your relationship will be. Number 13, acknowledge when things aren't okay. Every relationship has hard times. That's okay. Be the person who decides to open up and talk about it. Most people have a very hard time doing this and will eventually bottling up things inside them. That's definitely the last thing you want to do. So discuss when things are bad and how you want to make them better, or that you want to make them better. Number 14, stay patient and learn how to forgive fully. Holding grudges really isn't a great thing for relationships. You have to be able to forgive and then mean it. You also have to learn how to be patient, or work on being patient with your partner. Everyone has issues they might need to work through before they can make a relationship stronger. Number 15, always try to impress them no matter how long you've been together. This is one of the best pieces of advice. If you want to make your relationship stronger, keep trying. Always work on impressing one another. The more you do this, the happier you both will be, and the more stronger your relationship will become. So if you have any question at all, leave it down there below in the comment section. If you have anything to say to me at all, not just question, if you disagree with any points, you can leave it down there below in the comment section. You can like this video, share this video to get to someone that will find it helpful, or if you want to support my career, you can share this video. I can be goofy and playful. I'm going to see you in my next one. Have a blast.